Okay, today we're making a pickle and we're going to use a Jumbo 7 yarn. This is Parfait XL and it adds 7 ounces Jumbo 7, and we're going to use a 7mm crochet hook. So first you want to make your slip knot, and then we're going to chain 16. Okay, now you've got your 16, and the second you want to single crochet in the second chain from the hook. All the way down. Okay, so I'm going to meet you back at the end. Now we're at the end. You're going to chain 1 and turn. And now in the back loop, you're going to do a single crochet all the way down in each stitch. You see the V, you're going to go in the back loop. Okay, I'll meet you at the end. Chain 1 and turn, and you're just gonna do that for the next 3 rows, so a total of 5 rows in the back loop only. Okay, I'll meet you back at the end of the piece. Okay, now that you've completed 9 rows, this is what you'll have. Now you want to pick the side that the ridges stick out the most, with the little bumps. So you can fold over both sides and see which side you like most, which side looks most pickly. Then you're going to put your hook into your final loop, pull up a loop, and then just leave it like that. Go to the other side. So you're going to put your hook through to the other side into that chain, and then you're going to pull your working yarn through both. Then you're going to go in to the next stitch, pull into a slip stitch, and you're just going to slip stitch all the way down. Okay, I'll show you a couple more here. So you'll go through both stitches there, pull your loop through and pull it through. You're going to do that all the way down. Okay, now that you're at the end of slip stitching your pickle, you're going to pick up stitches at the end here. So just put your hook into the stitch and single crochet across. Now to stuff your pickle with polyfill. This is the poking stick that comes with your polyfill, or at least with mine. Just kind of push it down, make sure you get it all the way to the ends of the nub. I wouldn't overstuff it though, because you don't want it to be super stiff. Yeah, it's still kind of squishy. Okay, now to seal up the other end. Okay, now to sew in the ends. Okay, now to add the face to the pickle. I've got some nice 4-weight yarn here. This is Super Saver, but you can use any 4-weight. Now I find that Cameron's Cute Creations has a really good tutorial for embroidered eyes, and in fact that's where I learned how to do mine. But there are a few people that have some tutorials on those. But basically you want to come from the side and you want to kind of line up where you want to have your eyes at. This is a thinner yarn going through a thick yarn, so you're going to double it a few times, or quadruple it. Now you can also use Bernat blanket yarn in black. It's thicker. Through the side as well, to the bottom, pull it up, and then take it around to the top and just poke it through somewhere. Now I like to hold my finger on the side so I can control the white. I want it to be real small, but not gone all together. There you go. Now I like to add a little dot up top, just a little extra definition.